Hey guys, it's me again, Alex, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here again today to show you what I've purchased online. I purchased it last 2 days ago at Swili, Singapore. Bought it for 169 Singapore dollars. So this is the Ampero Control MIDI controller. It's from Hotone, or we call it Hotone or Hotone. This is the Hotone Ampero Control MIDI controller. A MIDI controller, guys, that can connect to your MIDI device, or it can be your Ampero device as well to control some of the effects. So this is, for me, this is good for guitars, guitar effect. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and let's do the unboxing. Okay guys, again, this is the box. This is really a small one, not that big. It's inside the box is a plastic. Inside the plastic is the box. So let's unbox it. Okay guys, so this is it. Yeah, this is the box of the Ampero. It's Ampero control. So what you see here, MIDI command, expandable to meet your needs, and other stuffs in it. Yeah, so it's of course from Hotone. Now this is from Hotone. Again, this is the Ampero control. So it's also a Bluetooth control, MIDI controller. Okay, let's go. This is the adapter, power adapter of the Ampero control, and also the USB. Okay, and it was well packed. And okay, this is it. And this is the small guy. The small guy here, you see. So if you okay, it has 4 switches, 2, 3, 4. If you both press this together, I believe it will move to the previous bank and next bank. So behind are those so these are the ports, one for expression and control, MIDI in, MIDI out through USB, and power. So that's quite straightforward, guys, no? So this needs to have a power adapter as well. So nothing more than that. Yep. And okay, that's about it. It's a quite straightforward MIDI controller. Remember, again, this is Bluetooth. So this is Bluetooth also. Okay, so inside the box are just this one, no? One controller, one USB, and one power adapter. That's all. Yeah. Thank you. By the way, this is the manual of the Ampero control, and this is included in the box. I forgot to show it to you earlier. So this is it. It's quite straightforward one. Nothing much. It's just details of the Ampero control, how it works. Alright.